This presentation provides a comprehensive clinical overview of chiropractic, a manipulative and body-based practice that focuses on the intricate relationship between the spinal structure and the function of the nervous system. Our objective is to delineate core principles, examine clinical evidence, and outline essential safety considerations for professional understanding and evaluation. The foundational concept of chiropractic is that the structural integrity of the spine and other joints directly influences the nervous system and, consequently, a person's overall health. When the spine is properly aligned, it is believed to facilitate optimal communication between the brain and the rest of the body, supporting systemic function. The primary therapeutic intervention in this field is spinal manipulation, which is specifically aimed at restoring proper joint mobility and function. By applying controlled force to joints that have become restricted in their movement, practitioners seek to alleviate pain, reduce muscle tension, and improve the body's overall physical performance and range. Within the chiropractic profession, two distinct philosophical approaches exist that guide clinical practice. While both utilize manipulation, they differ significantly in their underlying rationales and therapeutic goals. Understanding these two models is crucial for healthcare professionals when evaluating the specific intent and methodology behind various chiropractic treatment plans and patient outcomes. The vitalistic model posits that the vitalistic model possesses an innate ability to self-heal, a concept often referred to as innate intelligence. In this framework, practitioners use spinal manipulation to correct hypothesized vertebral subluxations, which are believed to interfere with the body's natural healing processes, nervous system flow, and overall vitality. In contrast, the evidence-based model focuses strictly on musculoskeletal treatments that are supported by rigorous scientific research. This approach prioritizes clinical data and peer-reviewed studies to determine the efficacy of interventions, moving away from traditional philosophical constructs toward a more integrated, medically aligned perspective on patient care and rehabilitation. The clinical utility of chiropractic is most strongly supported for managing low back pain, which remains one of the leading causes of disability worldwide. Numerous clinical guidelines now include spinal manipulation as a recommended non-pharmacological treatment option for patients suffering from both acute and chronic lumbar discomfort and dysfunction. A significant clinical trial involving U.S. military personnel demonstrated that adding chiropractic care to standard medical treatment significantly improved pain levels, disability scores, and overall quality of life. This study highlights the potential benefits of an integrative approach, combining traditional medical protocols with specialized manual therapy techniques for complex cases. For other conditions, such as cervicogenic headaches and acute neck pain, current evidence suggests potential, though often temporary, benefits from chiropractic intervention. While many patients report relief, there is a recognized need for higher quality research to fully establish the long-term effectiveness and comparative value of these treatments versus other modalities. It is important to note that for non-musculoskeletal disorders, such as asthma or otitis media, high-quality studies have not shown efficacy for chiropractic manipulation. Professional understanding requires distinguishing between conditions where evidence is robust and those where clinical claims are not currently supported by high-quality, reproducible scientific data. Beyond manipulation, modern chiropractors may employ a range of ancillary treatments to support patient recovery. These include physical therapies, rehabilitation strategies, and providing expert counsel on therapeutic exercise, ergonomics, and lifestyle modifications. This multimodal approach aims to address the root causes of physical dysfunction and prevent future injury recurrence. Regarding safety, serious complications from spinal manipulation are rare but can include nerve or arterial damage. Practitioners must be diligent in their screening processes to identify patients who may be at an increased risk for adverse events, ensuring that the clinical benefits of treatment outweigh the potential risks for each individual. The practice is strictly contraindicated for patients with certain underlying conditions, such as severe osteoporosis or active neuropathy. In these cases, the mechanical force of manipulation could lead to fractures or further neurological compromise, making alternative, gentler forms of therapy or medical management more appropriate for the patient's safety. Safety for patients with a history of spinal surgery or vascular disorders remains an area of clinical uncertainty. These cases require careful patient evaluation and interprofessional communication to ensure that any proposed chiropractic intervention is safe and does not interfere with the patient's existing medical history or previous surgical outcomes. In summary, chiropractic is a healthcare practice centered on spinal manipulation with divergent philosophical underpinnings. Its primary, evidence-supported role is in the management of musculoskeletal conditions, most notably low back pain. Understanding its principles, supported uses, and contraindications is essential for evaluating its place within a comprehensive healthcare strategy.